Right, so we just got our brand new Ridgemonkey Pot pan, and we're trying it out. Obviously we try it out when we get here, and we found it's not quite built for a VW California.
Try this one.
Oh no.
No.
Oh dear. So, note to anybody who's buying pot pan, what's it called?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Yeah, don't get such a big one like we did. Now this will have to be used for outside cooking, and we'll have to buy a small one. But obviously this is perfect for 2 people. But yeah, not Ridgemonkey. Your handle's a bit too long for the California. So thank you very much. We'll make do. We do like it though. It is a very good product. And then yeah, we have got another pot and pan, but it's the smaller one, isn't it? Okay, so another day. We figured it out for now. We will get a smaller Ridgeway pan, but this one we've changed it to sideways, so it now fits under. And tonight it's spaghetti.